Catalina Santiago has been released from federal custody. This comes after a federal judge ruled that her rights were violated when she was detained at the El Paso International Airport back in August. That's off the top.
After months of her supporters calling for her release, local DACA recipient Catalina Santiago was released from Immigration and Customs Enforcement custody. That's according to the El Paso Times. Santiago is a citizen of Mexico who's lived in the United States for 20 years since she was 8 years old. She applied for DACA Protections, a program that provides immigration protections for children brought to the U.S. illegally, and received them in 2012. On August 3rd this year, Santiago was detained by U.S. Border Patrol at El Paso International Airport. She was on her way to a work trip with the nonprofit she worked for. She was then transferred to ICE detention, where she's been held ever since. The Department of Homeland Security pointed to a drug arrest in Arizona in 2020, as well as other unnamed charges. And KVOX 14 confirmed no charges were ever filed officially in the Arizona case. On September 9th, the court halted the deportation proceedings against Santiago, but on September 23rd, they allowed her detention in an ICE facility to continue. And that brings us to today, when Kathleen Cardone, a United States District Judge, finally ordered her release from detention by tomorrow at 4 p.m. Many legal advocates, including her attorney, released a statement celebrating the ruling, saying in part, quote, "Today's decision is a reminder that the government is not above the law," said Bridget Prince-Atelli, staff attorney at the National Immigration Project. And, quote, "The decision is also a huge win for all DACA recipients and any non-citizen who's been allowed to stay in this country with the government's permission," says Luis Cortez Romero, partner at Nova Legal.
There is a press conference tomorrow morning about this case. We'll keep you updated as we learn more.